Take a deep breath. Seems like you're inhaling just clean, invisible air, right? Not quite. The air around us is packed with things we almost never think about. Some natural, some human-made, and some surprising. First, let's talk about the major ingredients. About 78% of the air is nitrogen, a gas that doesn't do much in our bodies, but is crucial for plants and the global cycle of life. Around 21% is oxygen, the part we actually need to survive. Then there's a tiny sliver of argon, carbon dioxide, and other trace gases. Even though carbon dioxide is less than 0.5%, it plays a huge role in climate and plant growth. But here's the amazing thing. The balance has to be just right. If oxygen were only a little lower, our bodies would struggle to function. If it were higher, fires would spread more easily and our cells could be damaged. Even small shifts in carbon dioxide or other gases would make Earth far less comfortable, or even unlivable, for humans. The atmosphere is a fine-tuned mix that makes life possible. Another invisible ingredient is water vapor. Depending on where you live, it could make up to 4% of the air. It's what gives us humidity, clouds, and weather, and it helps regulate Earth's temperature. But it's not just gases. Floating in the air are tiny solid particles, known as aerosols. Dust from deserts, salt from the ocean, smoke from fires, and even microscopic bits of soil and pollen drift around us constantly. These tiny particles affect the color of sunsets, cloud formation, and of course, our health. And believe it or not, the air is alive. Tiny organisms like bacteria, viruses, fungal spores, and even microscopic insects ride the wind. Most are harmless, but some can spread disease or trigger allergies. Humans add their own invisible signature to the air. Exhaust fumes from cars, smoke from factories, chemicals from sprays, and even microplastics get carried by the wind. Some pollutants can travel thousands of miles before settling, meaning the air we breathe carries stories from faraway places. The air doesn't just carry matter, it also carries energy. Sound waves travel through the air every time we speak, sing, or play music. Radio waves and Wi-Fi signals surround us constantly, moving invisibly through the atmosphere. And even light, though we see part of it, has invisible parts, like ultraviolet rays from the sun or infrared heat that we can feel but not see. These hidden waves are always passing through us, shaping the way we communicate, see, and experience the world. On top of all that, the air can contain unexpected guests: volcanic ash, radioactive particles, fragments from space dust, and even scents from plants and flowers carried miles away. Every breath you take is like a sample of the world. So, the next time you breathe in, remember, air isn't empty at all. It's a constantly changing mix of gases, particles, organisms, and even invisible waves of energy. It connects every living thing on Earth in ways we can't always see, but we feel it with every single breath.